TimeX, one of the known watchmakers, has launched its new fitness band, Helix Gusto 2.0, and it's the second generation fitness band successor to the last year's Helix Gusto HRM fitness band. The Gusto 2.0 features a 2.4 cm colored screen, dual color band, and heart rate monitoring. Let's dig into the TimeX's Helix Gusto 2.0 in our review. TimeX Helix Gusto 2.0 specifications. Display: 24 cm RGB OLED. Protection: IPX5. Sensors: heart rate sensor, proximity sensor. Features: SOS alert, heart rate monitoring, activity tracking, walk, run, cycle, sleep monitoring, calories meter, step counter, notifications, distance traveled. Battery: 5 days, up to 2 hours charging time. Box contents: Helix Gusto 2.0, user manual. Price: Rs 2,495. Design, display and specs. Speaking of the design and build, the Helix Gusto 2.0 offers a nice and elegant design. The 2.4 cm curved screen and dual color bands look quite appealing. Since it's from the TimeX brand itself, you will see a buckle as you see on the watches instead of a rubber peg. On the front side, the 2.4 cm display is actually a colored display featuring an OLED panel and a capacitive button below it to control the band. The rivals, on the other hand, offer a LED panel with a touch screen, which is much better than using the band with a button. It's light and weight and comfortable to wear. Thanks to the curved design, it looks great in the hands. The silicone straps can be removed and the band can be directly hooked in the USB port for charging, no cables required. The straps seem to be high quality and durable even though they're light in weight. Aside from these, the fitness band also features an IPX5 water-resistant design that can resist light water spills and rains, but not underwater. You should probably avoid swimming wearing it. Features and UI. Speaking of the user interface, the home screen shows you time, steps counter, calorie meter, and distance traveled by default. You can choose the watch faces by long pressing the capacitive button. You will find different modes like heart rate, step counter, calorie meter, distance traveled, sports, messages, and more. All these modes can be controlled using the capacitive button. Since it doesn't have a touch screen, you have to rely on the button only. On tapping the button on the Gusto 2.0, you can swipe through the modes, and on long pressing, it enters the particular mode. Under More, you have SOS, Music, About, Reset, and Power Off menu. Pairing is easy. All you need is to download the Helix TimeX app on your smartphone and pair it. The interface on the app shows you detailed statistics of your fitness activities. With the app, you can also set calendar entries, set an alarm and notification alerts, DND, SOS, and use the camera. Battery life. On the battery side, the TimeX Helix Gusto 2.0 can last up to 5 days straight on a single charge when using it as a daily driver. The charging time it takes is about 2 hours or a little less. There's no need for any charging cable. The fitness band has a direct charging interface that can be hooked into the USB port after removing the strap from the side of the band. Helix Gusto 2.0 doesn't come with a charging adapter. You need to rely on the laptop USB port or a separate USB wall charger for charging the fitness band. Verdict: the Helix Gusto 2.0 is available on Amazon India and comes in 3 colors, blue, gray, and black. The Helix Gusto 2.0 looks elegant, features a durable design and comes with a color OLED display. Aside from these, it's light in weight, offers good heart rate tracking and direct charging. With all that being said, the battery life is average, 5 days, and doesn't come with a touch display as you see on its rivals like Mi Smart Band 4. For the price of Rs 2,495, You might want to check other options before you consider the Helix Gusto 2.0 fitness band. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.